face of the daughter of Zion, that I may rejoice in your rescue. The nations sink into the pit they made. Their foot is caught in the net they hid. Yahweh is known by the judgment he carries out. The wicked are snared in the work of their own hands. The wicked return to the grave. All nations that forget Elohim. For the needy shall not always be forgotten, nor shall the hope of the poor vanish forever. Rise up, Yahweh, do not let man prevail. Let the nations be judged before you.